Hey, so I'm here at Donna Jean, and I'm going to do an awesome interview today, so I'm looking forward to sharing that with you guys. Hey friends, so today we're going to make
Nashville hot shrooms.
Nashville hot shrooms.
Yes.
How did you come up with this?
So Nashville hot chicken is a thing. It's from Nashville, Tennessee. And I just was intrigued by the dish, so I learned how to make it, but I wanted to make it vegan, and we don't do mock meats here, so we made it with oyster mushrooms instead. That's what we came up with. So we have our breaded oyster mushrooms, then we've got this little nice spice mix here that goes in it, and yeah, we're just gonna throw them in the fryer and get them going.
Sweet.
Get those guys going.
And is this your most popular dish? Or?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I've heard a lot of people speak really highly of it so far, so.
This one, and then these guys are prepping the pizza dough, so these are the things that people come here for mostly. We also have cast iron mac and cheese that people come here for. And we're really trying to build on our vegetable dishes.
Yeah.
We try to do everything as seasonally as possible. So we have a list of about 8 or 10 vegetable dishes that we have on our menu that we treat as kind of like appetizers. So we get people to order those and add on to the dish, or add on to their order and everything. Try to do creative things, get people to eat vegetables, you know. You'll see on our patio, we try to grow a bunch of stuff too. It doesn't supply everything we need, but we usually will pull things out of there and just kind of implement it into what we're doing here as well.
Yeah.
Just try to make everything as fresh and as good as possible as we possibly can. I think a lot of times vegans have the tendency to kind of fall into the junk food kind of side of things.
Is it transition?
Yeah, so we want to try to show people that vegetables aren't weird. You know, it's like a thing that you can eat and still be fully fulfilled with everything, you know. This is just frying away. So these are almost done here.
Oh, they're beautiful.
Yep. So the part of doing this here, and I've already showed people how to do this. You take our nice spice mix here. So this is cayenne, chili powder, a little bit of onion powder, garlic powder. We make our own brown sugar, so that's in here. We also make these things called black limes, which is something I found in the Middle East. So they're just limes that we dehydrate and they turn black and they get really super aromatic. So that's in here.
Sweet.
So you take a little bit of this, you just throw it in here like so, and then you're gonna take some oil straight from the fryer, and you're gonna throw it right on there. And it toasts the spices, makes this really, really nice chili oil. So you get that going on right there. You smell that? You can't smell it on camera, I'm sorry.
No, I'm gonna give it a sniff though. Oh yeah.
So you just kind of roll the mushroom around in there. We're gonna put it on our plate here.
Look at that.
We've got our hot sauce that we make here. This is Fresno's, white vinegar, and salt.
Nice.
We let the Fresno's ferment for 2 months before we turn them into hot sauce. So we just put that on top here. Then we got our pickles that we also make here. Just kind of put those on top as well. And then some green onions. And that's the dish.
Beautiful. Right, should we head on out to the patio and dig in?
Yes, please.
Let's do it. Okay, so this is how you serve the dish, which
Absolutely.
is it's beautiful.
Thank you.
Yeah. So you got the pickles on there, scallions,
Yep.
and then you on 2 slices of bread, yeah?
Yeah, it's a slice of bread. So the traditional Nashville hot shrooms, they usually just throw it on Wonder Bread.
Okay.
So it's like this soft, squishy bread. So it becomes like this open face fried sandwich.
Yeah.
You know, I don't know, it's delicious. I think the story behind this is where Nashville hot chicken originally originated was there was a girlfriend that was really upset with her boyfriend, and he came home and said I want some chicken. She's like, all right, I'll make you some chicken, and she just threw loads of cayenne on it, and apparently he loved it, and it became this thing. So there's a bunch of restaurants that are doing that down there, and again, I've never tried it because I've been vegan for a long time, but when I first started doing these, I tried it based on the original recipe, which was just cayenne, paprika, and a little bit of sugar, and I made it here, and I just blew everybody up. It was so freaking hot, so I had to bring it down to a more accessible level. And it's just this thing, when you eat it, all these flavors kind of develop. It's not just hot.
Yeah.
There's a lot of other things going on. So
Yeah.
people that don't necessarily like spicy, this is kind of like at the top of their range, but they can eat it and they can enjoy it.
Cool. Well, we'll dig in.
Get in there.
Okay, so super crunchy.
Yeah, very nice.
Okay. I'm getting that sweetness now as
Yeah,
well.
they got the brown sugar in there. So yeah, we make ours with that. So typically brown sugar is made with molasses and just sugar, and you put it together. Yeah. But we use this ingredient called sorghum, which kind of is like a mix between molasses and maple syrup. It's like really minerally. So we make our brown sugar that way, and it kind of gives it a whole another little aspect of everything.
Yeah, and I like there's something really good about the mushroom in the way that it kind of like snaps. It gives it that kind of real chicken feel, doesn't it?
Yeah, the oysters give it that kind of pull and kind of niceness, and we also kind of when we bread them, we dredge them in our own cashew buttermilk that we make here. So there's like a little bit extra, like a little fattiness that's going in there on top of the breading and everything. Delicious. It's the best breakfast in the world, right? Or lunch or dinner, whatever.
It's amazing, man.
I regularly eat these. I actually just had these at like midnight last night. It was the last thing I ate before I left the restaurant. It's like this, and like our pizzas. Like, I don't know. I opened a restaurant just so I could eat the food that I want to eat all the time.
Well, thank you very much for doing this today.
Yeah,
I really appreciate it, and I heard such great things about it that I had to come and try it.
Perfect. I love it.
Where can people find you on like social media and things like that?
On Instagram and Facebook, it's Donna Jean SD.
Okay.
Yeah.
And where's the restaurant located?
We are in San Diego, Bankers Hill, 2949 Fifth Avenue, right next to Balboa Park.
Sweet. Thank you very much for doing this, man.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
It's an absolute pleasure. Thank you very much for watching. Be nice to each other, and goodbye.